RESOLVECON is September 25th through 27th. But what is RESOLVECON? Only the best Resolve event in the world. We're talking 3 full days of amazing teaching from the best Resolve teachers on the planet. And today you can get your VIP ticket. It gives you access to our exclusive Q&A live streams that happen before the free sessions every day. This will be your opportunity to ask questions about color grading, Fusion, and editing awesome videos in Resolve. The full schedule is available now at resolvecon.com, and to get your VIP ticket, all you have to do is click the link in the description and join our free Skool community. Go to the Classroom tab and click on the VIP ticket to purchase. Once you're in, you'll have access to all of the Q&A live streams during the event, as well as extended access to the recordings for a full year. This is the very best way to experience RESOLVECON. Click the link down below to join our Skool and get your VIP ticket now. I'll see you there.